Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the scrolling banner section. The scrolling banner is a powerful feature that lets you highlight promotions, flash sales, announcements, and important updates in a smooth, scrolling format, helping you grab attention without interrupting the shopping experience. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the scrolling banner section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then, navigate to Templates and locate the Scrolling Banner section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to Templates and select the Scrolling Banner section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Scrolling Banner and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the scrolling banner section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. The background image option allows you to upload an image that enhances the overall look and feel of your scrolling banner. You can also use the Show Overlay setting to add a subtle layer on top of your background image. With Image Overlay Opacity, you can control the strength of this overlay. Adjust the value anywhere from 0% to 100%, where lower values keep the image more visible and higher values create a darker or more muted background, making your text stand out more clearly. The direction setting lets you control how your content moves across the screen. You can choose between left or right scrolling, depending on the flow and visual style you want for your banner. With scrolling speed, you can define how fast or slow the content moves. This can be adjusted anywhere from 0 to 100 seconds. The Pause on Hover option adds an interactive touch to your banner. When enabled, the scrolling will automatically pause when a user hovers over the section, allowing them to read the content without distraction. The desktop gap between items setting allows you to control the spacing between each banner item when viewed on desktop devices. You can adjust this value anywhere from 0 pixels to 50 pixels. Similarly, the mobile gap between items setting lets you define the spacing specifically for mobile devices. This ensures your banner remains well-structured and easy to read on smaller screens. Just like a desktop, you can set the gap from 0 pixels to 50 pixels, depending on how tight or spacious you want the layout to feel. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the scrolling banner section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, Bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks, including advanced double button, caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options. Let's walk through a simple example to understand how to set up and customize a text block in the scrolling banner section. Start by clicking Add Block inside the scrolling banner section. Then select the text block to begin customizing your content. In the text field, enter the message you want to display. Use the link option to make your text clickable. Choose a heading size based on how prominent you want your text to appear. Options include small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. If you need more control, select Custom. When using the Custom option, adjust the text size between 10 pixels and 70 pixels to match your store's design and ensure readability across devices. You can also enable the Show Text as Stroked option to give your text an outline style, which adds a unique and eye-catching visual effect. Use text to show as stroked to specify which part of your text should appear outlined, giving you more creative control. You can repeat these steps to add multiple blocks such as button, description, icon, icon with image, image, and text. The same customization settings apply across all blocks, making it easy to design and manage your scrolling banner content consistently. And that's it. Your scrolling banner section is now fully set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.